Oh, Miss Julie, you are officially 100% done with all of your pre-orientation, any and everything Travelpreneur. I'm so excited for you.
Yeah, I am too.
How does it
So
feel?
happy. It's been a lot of work get
Yes.
through that list, but it's all worth it.
Good, good, good. So tell the people about your brand, Vacation Like Julie, and your whole experience as a travel agent overall.
So my brand, I focus on self-care and mental health. So I'm going towards, building retreats and doing group travel and solo travel because solo travel is on trend.
Yes.
Is, yeah. And I've been a travel advisor for 2 years now. I love it. Best job in the world.
Good, good. And you just came to us, right? You just
Yeah, just came to you guys late February, I believe. So yeah, I'm enjoying it.
good. Listen, we're enjoying having you, Miss Julie. Can you maybe tell the people like what's the hardest part about training? Like sometimes training isn't easy, but for us, what's the hardest part and what was the best part about training?
Gosh, the hardest part. It's a lot of reading,
Okay.
watching videos. Those take a long time, but I mean, once you get through it, it's really easy.
I love it. I love it. And then so what are you excited about the most?
Oh gosh, now that I'm with mommy and we travels, all the training that's about to come, learning from you guys, learning from you, and definitely bringing in more income.
Yes, yes, yes. Well, listen, Julie, I'm so super proud of you. We're in Vegas together. Listen, we're about to be doing a lot more trips and stuff together. I'm so super proud of you. And like I like to tell all of my agents that I have personally trained and signed off. Listen, I trust you enough to send my clients to you in, case that I can't book them because I'm too busy or something like that. You're fully trained. You did everything on the list. I've seen you do it. I've seen your proposals. I've seen your invoices. I see how you handle clients. Listen, I'm super proud to call you one of my agents. Okay.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. And so remember, if you need anything else, you just let me know, okay?
Of course.
All right. So let's see.